Hey guys, what's up? So today I am shooting my Christmas video and Christmas content, or like holiday content. I'm gonna be doing 25 of my favorite lipsticks. My hair is like really cute. My friend Jacob did it and it's like swooped, so I'm gonna make sure it doesn't touch my lash, because sometimes when it touches my lash it goes like this. Turn off the music real quick so I can do this vlog. But yes, it's my Vlogmas day 1 and super excited to shoot here. This is actually my friend Gabby's place. Gabby and her boyfriend, she designed this place and then he built it, and it's so amazing. They are one of my dear friends and they were like, oh my gosh, this is also available for rent. So if you guys are looking for a place, really nice entertainment spot in West Hollywood, definitely check them out. I link them below. And yeah, I'm just wearing my Ariana sweats real quick and I'm gonna change to my first outfit. But yeah, I'm shooting here all of my holiday looks and super excited. People are setting up. So Alex, my photographer, is setting up, and Charlotte on my team is also setting up. I'm gonna show you guys my wardrobe in 2 seconds. My wardrobe is so cute. Oh my gosh, she arranged it so cute. I'm like not this organized, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. All my lingerie, you guys know that's like my fave, everything. And then in the closet, we have my dresses and furs, faux fur obviously. I love it, so cute. So I'm gonna change to my first look and do my first look. My first outfit. This outfit I've used 3 times. I was a devil like 3 or 4 years ago at the Maxim Halloween party. I also wore it for a Jessica Rabbit costume in like 8 years ago. And now I'm using it for a holiday shoot. So it's so worth it. It's actually a custom corset that I got like measured to my body, and it was like really expensive, but it's so worth it. So this is my first shot. I'm so hungry already. So it happens, photo shoot days, like you don't really get to eat, but I'm gonna order some food and get this a first shot. Love my first outfit. This is my favorite one. And this is actually my MAC one, and I'm gonna give away this. Oh my gosh, Charlotte put a candy cane in there. I'm giving away this, not the compact, but the lip collection, the whole set, to one of my followers. So definitely enter the giveaway. I love this vanity.
I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket, cause I miss it, got me wishing that we were on a vacation to the places, the secret places no one used to go but us. Like the nape of your neck and that skirt I love to touch. I know you love to relax at the small of my back. Swim through my fingers, get lost in my mind. I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where.
Okay, so my vlogging camera yesterday when I was vlogging lost a little screw, so my frame like kind of like moves. So I ordered the screw on Amazon, so I'm gonna fix it. But I'm really loving this like fun look because it's a little bit different for me. I have these goggles for snowboarding, and I was like, you know what, I want to do a shot with it. Oh my gosh, it has a little bit of fingerprints on it. But I did a shot with the goggles, and it came to use because I don't really snowboard or ski that much. Like I don't really go like every year or anything like that. So yeah, I shot with these goggles. All right, next shot. All right guys, day 2 holiday shoot. We had to split the photos in 2 days. Yesterday, I know I had Charlotte taking all of my BTS. So let me show you guys, this is how we keep track of like what photos we took. We have Polaroids after every single photo. So we actually started with the white ones over here. This is actually the first one I took, and like there's a bunch of these, but I still can't believe tomorrow's December 1st. It's so crazy. So yeah, this is day 2. Hopefully we'll get everything done today. It's like crazy because I feel like I was way too ambitious trying to shoot 25 photos in one day, but yeah, there's just like no way. I don't think I've ever done 25 looks in one day. I've done many looks in one day. I've done like 15, like something like that, but I don't think I've ever done like 20 something. So yeah, there was just like no way, but I was like, oh my God, we could do it. So we had to split it into 2 days. So day 2, I'm here again at the beautiful home of my friend Gabby and Yaron. They're so amazing. Yeah, and I'm here again shooting. So this is actually my first look of today, and I did the La Rock lipstick, and I'm going to change to my look too. But yeah, super excited. I love it because I feel like I could be creative with this. Ooh, the lighting is so good here. I love it. Okay, gotta go guys, bye.